Hey there, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your mic if it's not working on Roblox Mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. First, check if your microphone is enabled for Roblox. On Android, go to Settings and Permission and make sure your microphone is allowed. Another way is to restart your mobile device. This simple step can resolve minor technical issues. If it's not work, try this. Open Roblox and check the settings inside the app. Look for the voice chat option and make sure it's enabled. If it's not visible, ensure your account is verified for voice chat. Note that voice chat requires user to verify their age as 13 plus with a valid ID. Without this verification, the voice chat option will not be appear. Another way is ensure your device volume is turned up and the mic is not muted during gameplay. And that's it. By following this step, you should be able to fix your mic on Roblox Mobile. I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching and take care.